Hi everyone. Okay, it finally cleared up enough to go for my walk. Um, the tent worked out pretty good. It didn't get wet on the inside other than what I brought in. I need to get some seam sealer or waterproof stuff to spray on the inside though to prevent it from leaking in case there's a real major storm. Now the spring's here. I'll probably get caught in some. I might even see a tornado. You never know. Especially when I head out toward Colorado or that area. Salem, hold down the fort. I will be back. Oh, I had to bring my water. Gotta have some water to bring with. That's gonna be kind of awkward. You know what? I can do without the water. As long as I got a little bit of food, you just drink some. All right, yeah, my camp's a mess, but no harm done. I put power steering fluid in my van this morning and gave her a redneck bath. You notice she's a little cleaner? Yeah, she is. She's a little cleaner. Yeah, the power steering fluid was almost empty, so I added more. I assume that means there's a leak in there. That's typical for an older vehicle. I mean, she's 17 years old, so looks pretty good for a 17-year-old van, rather than the sun-bleached bumpers. There are a couple cracks in the fiberglass that I will need to get repaired, and I'm thinking about using that Flex Seal because they put that on fiberglass. So I got one right here. I need to get that fixed before it goes all the way down to here. So I'm thinking if I put that Flex Seal, I think that would work. And then there's another one over here. Right there. Other than that, the van's in pretty good shape. All the seals are holding. Engine looks pretty darn good. Brand new drive belt. I have an extra in case something goes wrong. That came with the van. Alright, so we're going to go on a walk. I really need to get out and just be in nature. Most of the people have left. This is Fountainebleau State Campground, and I'm on there is a big lake, and what it is huge. I didn't realize Louisiana had such a big lake. It's right next to the Gulf of Mexico though, and it does open up into it, but very small channel, so most of the water is fresh in the lake, but there's a little bit of salt water in there. But like I said, I was going to go inner tubing. I don't think that's going to happen. It's actually a little chilly out, which is nice. Oh boy, is that nice. Oh, there's some flowers coming up that I was able to identify. I was trying to look up a couple plants, but I guess the other ones are not native to this area. Or I don't know. Still not sure what this is. I think it's chicory, if I remember correctly. It has a nice smell to it, or maybe fennel. It's something. It has a beautiful scent to it. It's a very it's almost like a dill scent. Maybe it's dill. I don't know. Somebody out there knows, put it in comments on my YouTube or in Facebook. Please, that would be great. If anybody knows these plants, that would be really interesting. Okay, these are violets. I don't think so. I think they're lilies because of the leaves, but they do look similar to the violets. It's not, it can't be a violet. I wish I brought the book with me, but it's kind of heavy. So I don't know my plants very well. Alright, so we're going to head out toward the front. Tell you what, I am going to turn you off for now because we're going to be hitting all where the RVs and stuff. I will turn you on when we get back to the trail.